Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly noticed a few people laughing? And for a second you think, are they laughing at me? Or maybe you have heard people whispering behind your back. Someone makes a sarcastic comment. Someone mocks you indirectly in certain way and suddenly you don't know what to do. Should you confront them? Should you ignore them? Or should you pretend that you didn't notice? Someone recently asked me this question in the comments, and I thought, let's talk about it because this is something you're going to encounter at every stage of your life: school, college, work, friendships, social situations. People will mock you, people will judge you, people are going to talk about you, and you cannot spend your entire life responding to every single person. So, here is how I would handle it. So let's say you walk into a room and people are laughing. Your first thought is usually, are they laughing at me? Stop. Don't assume, please. Maybe they are laughing at you, but maybe they're not. You don't know what is happening in their conversation because you can't clearly hear it. And sometimes our own insecurity fills in the blanks for us in various situations. So don't immediately create a story in your head. But if you genuinely feel that they are talking about you or laughing at you, do this. This is very simple. Just walk up to them, smile, and just simply say, why are you guys laughing? Kya hua? Let me know. Let me also laugh. That's it. Simple, hai na? Now don't say it aggressively. Just don't walk in looking like as if you're angry or you are scared. Don't walk in looking defensive already. Just say it casually, like almost playfully, as if you want to become a part of their group. Because suddenly you have changed the dynamics. They now have to either tell you what they're laughing about or maybe they will backtrack. Now, this is a very common technique people have used for years. I know most of you already know about it and might have been using it. But then comes a question that what if they're actually mocking you? Maybe they're making comments about the way you speak, or maybe they're making fun of how you look or an idea you shared. Maybe you're doing something different from everyone else and they think it's funny. So I want you to understand this very simple thing today. There will always be people who mock you. Always. Trust me. Period. You cannot build a life where nobody laughs at you, nobody criticizes you, nobody disagrees with you, and nobody talks about you. That's not a real life, my dear. So the question is not that how do I stop people from mocking me? The question is very simple. The question is how much attention am I going to give it? Because you cannot keep giving your attention to every person who has an opinion about you. You have a job to do, you have to study, you have goals to achieve, you have things you want to achieve in your life. So keep your eyes on the target. Everything else is just noise. And this is something I want young people especially to understand. Don't let five people laughing in the corner become more important than the five things you're trying to accomplish in your life. Nobody told me this when I was growing up. I'm telling you this straightforward. But now there is a difference between someone directly saying something to you and someone doing it indirectly. If someone comes to your face and says something disrespectful, you can address it. You can just clearly tell them, I don't appreciate that. Please don't speak to me like that. Simple, in plain words. That's it. No sugarcoating. But what about the person who's whispering behind your back? The person making indirect comments about you? The person who laughs when you walk past? The person who doesn't have the courage to say it directly to you? Then I want you to remember this. Listen very, very carefully. If someone is mocking you behind your back, they are lacking something, not you. They're lacking the courage to say it to your face. They're lacking the maturity to let people be who they are. They're lacking the confidence to focus on their own life instead of someone else's. Whatever the reason, don't automatically assume that their behavior means there's something wrong with you. Sometimes the behavior tells you much more about the person doing it than the person they are targeting. And this is where many people make a mistake. Someone laughs at them once and they start questioning themselves, their own identity. Maybe I'm embarrassing. Maybe I'm wearing something funny. Maybe I'm not looking good. Maybe I shouldn't speak. Maybe they're making fun of how I'm speaking. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe people will laugh at me. Maybe they will make fun of me. So I should stop attempting. I should stop going there. I should stop being seen. No, you cannot build your identity around someone else's reaction to you. If you're doing something meaningful, there will be people who don't understand it. If you're different, there will be people who comment in it because they can't accept being different. If you're visible, there will be people who have opinions about your visibility because visibility comes with opinions. Your job is not to eliminate all the opinions in the world. Your job is to decide which opinion deserve your attention. If 10 people say 10 different things about you, are you going to change yourself 10 times? Of course not. So please develop this ability from a young age if you are a young person. Listen, evaluate, decide, and then move on. If there's a genuine feedback, take it and address it. If there is something you can learn, please learn from it. If somebody is trying to help you, listen. But if somebody is simply trying to get a reaction out of you, just do not give it to them, because sometimes the reaction is the reward they are looking for. Your reaction feeds them, make them starve by not giving them any reaction. And this is something I tell people all the time. Confidence is not the ability to make everybody respect you. Confidence is knowing that even if somebody doesn't respect you, you will still respect yourself. You don't have to win every argument. You don't have to have the perfect comeback. You don't have to confront every single person. You don't have to explain yourself to every single person. Sometimes you ask, "What's so funny? Tell me also." Sometimes you just have to calmly address and give your boundaries, and sometimes you simply just keep walking, move on, because you have got somewhere to be, you have goals to achieve, you have targets to focus on. So, if you're a teenager or a college student, a young professional, or anyone listening to this, just please remember this thing. A 40-year-old woman telling you, people will talk, people will laugh, people will judge, people will sometimes mock you. They will. That's life. That's what I have experienced too. But don't let somebody else's noise become the soundtrack of your life. Keep your eyes on the target. Rest is noise. You don't have to shrink. You don't have to hide. You don't need to respond to everyone. Know when to speak, know when to laugh along, know when to set a boundary, and most importantly, know when to just simply walk away. And once you realize that, you will live with power and eventually you will speak with power. If this video added any value to your life, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel called Speak with Power. Please share it with someone whom you think is in need of listening to this. I'll see you in the next video. This is Captain Ritu Kumar Singh signing off. Jai Hind. Namaste.